Hello बच्चों, so let's read this question. Methylene blue from its aqueous solution it's adsorbed on the activated charcoal at 25 degrees Celsius. For this process, which of the following statement is correct? A. The adsorption requires activation at 25 degrees Celsius. B. The adsorption is accompanied by a decrease in enthalpy. C. Adsorption increases with increase of temperature. And D. Adsorption is irreversible. So let us write the key concept of the question by understanding what is adsorption. तो अगर हम adsorption की बात करें, it is the accumulation of molecular species at the surface of solid of liquid rather than in the bulk. This is termed as adsorption. Now, if we talk about adsorption, there are two types of adsorption. First is physiosorption, which is physical adsorption. It is the interaction force in physiosorption is van der Waals forces, and second is chemisorption, which is chemical adsorption, and the interacting forces are chemical bonds or chemical forces. Now let us talk about the question. हमें दे रखा है methylene blue. Methylene blue from its aqueous solution. So we know that methylene blue का जो molecular formula होता है, it is C16H18Cl N3S, and it is prepared by the oxidation of dimethyl 4 phenylene diamine in the presence of sodium thiosulfate. Now this is the preparation of methylene blue. Now let us talk about the question. तो हमारे को दे रखा है methylene blue from its aqueous solution is adsorbed on activated charcoal at 25 degrees Celsius. For this process, which of these following statement is true? Now let us write the statement first. Methylene blue is adsorbed on activated charcoal at 25 degrees Celsius from its aqueous solution. So this is the statement that has been given to us. So now let us write, for this process, adsorption is accompanied by the decrease in the enthalpy Adsorption of methylene blue is a physiosorption. That means it is a physical adsorption. The interaction forces are van der Waals forces instead of the chemical forces. Blue is physiosorption. Hence, there is no requirement of activation energy. No requirement of activation energy for this reaction. Now let us see the question once more. ठीक है, हमें पहला दे रखा है the adsorption requires an activation at 25 degrees Celsius. हमने अभी देखा that physiosorption हो रहा है हमारा methylene blue के लिए. So there is no requirement of activation energy. तो हमारा पहला स्टेटमेंट तो एलिमिनेट हो गया as it is an incorrect statement. Now let us talk about the second statement हमें जो दे रखा है. The adsorption is accompanied by decrease in enthalpy. So we know that जो हमारा physiosorption होता है it has low and negative change in enthalpy. So हमारा option number B is the right answer. We also discussed this point in the previous explanation. Now let us talk about the other points to get more clear view on this question. तो हमारे को C option दे रखा है that adsorption increases with increase in temperature. We know that it is a physical adsorption, so it decreases with increase in temperature. Physiosorption decreases with increase in temperature, whereas we know chemisorption increases with increase in temperature. तो हमें पता है मिथाइलिन ब्लू में हमारा physiosorption हो रहा है तो it will decrease with increase in temperature. With increase in temperature. So हमारा जो third point हो गया, it is absolutely wrong because we know that it decreases with increase in temperature. It should be decrease over here for it to be the correct point. Now let us read the fourth statement. The adsorption is irreversible. We know that physiosorption is reversible in nature. It is reversible in nature. Thus, the process which does not involve any surface tension is achieved easily and quickly at low temperature. क्योंकि हमें पता है जो हमारा physiosorption होता है decreases with increase in temperature quickly at low temperature. तो हमारा fourth point भी wrong हो गया because physiosorption is reversible in nature. तो हमारा fourth point भी wrong हो गया. तो हमारा second option B is the correct answer to the question. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.